Yo, I just talked to Matt. He's on his way.
All right, dope. Let's get ready to play.
Just a bit, just a bit. Yeah, looking good, man. What you see?
Hey, what's up, guys? We're here today at Pedal Commander. We got a special guest.
I'm Matt Field. What's going on, guys?
He's currently one of our drivers. Come down, planned to outfit his C6, get him set up with Pedal Commander there. Took out the Can-Am for a little spin.
Desert car for sure. Driving the UTV absolutely opened my mind, because I've driven a couple of buddies' UTVs, and I'll to be honest, I thought they were kind of lame. Not very responsive. It takes a while to get on the throttle. It takes a while to come off the throttle. So being able to experience all the different modes that this thing has to offer opened my eyes.
Yeah, definitely
Opened my
changes
eyes.
out quite a bit. Gives you the ability to feather that gas pedal again. Just takes all that lag out.
I feel like you can actually drive it like you want to drive it, not how the ECU wants you to drive it.
Yeah, exactly.
So how I feel about this unit is very excited, to be honest. One of the most important things with drifting is the response, right?
Yeah.
And after feeling what it did to the UTV and knowing what it does to the drift cars, absolutely blows my mind. Because as more cars become drive-by-wire, right? It's just the way of the future. I don't know if everybody knows this, but most new cars are drive-by-wire. And yeah, like my race car is drive-by-wire, even that C5 there, that's my C5, that's drive-by-wire. But this, the C6 demo car, this thing is drive-by-wire. If you don't know what that is, instead of having a physical cable from your foot and your throttle pedal basically connected to the throttle body, opening it, there's wires and an electronic stepper motor that actually opens and closes the throttle body. When it's programmable and not laggy, it's great. You can't even tell the difference. But in the case of this thing, it is a little bit laggy, especially the C5, but this thing, now that I have more power, right, because now with the Texas Speed Cam and all that, it's 500 wheel horsepower, so I start noticing the things. When I'm on and off the throttle so much, I can feel that the throttle blade is not doing everything that my foot is asking it to do. And as we get away from drive-by cable, I find that the cars get less and less responsive from the factory. And with drifting, if I want to hop on the throttle and there's a delay, that could be the difference between me crashing and not crashing.
Yeah.
We're within inches, and if there's that big of a delay, it's not a good thing. So being able to get a unit on this car, and especially some of the other cars, and even into the race car, it's going to be a huge advantage.
Yeah.
I think drive-by-wire that's equally as responsive, if not more, than a cable throttle is the way of the future.
Yeah, absolutely.
All right, guys, we had an awesome day. I got to test some units, experience firsthand the difference that it actually makes. Obviously, destroy your parking lot a little bit, but I had a ton of fun. Thank you for having me.
We'll see how that goes. Cleaning that one out. Yeah, definitely, dude. Thanks for coming out. Really appreciate it, man. I'll have you out again. Keep on playing.
Absolutely. Thanks, guys.